Good morning, students of class 3B. In this live video class of mathematics, I had uploaded a few questions of exercise 9.5. Today, we will solve question number 5. This question states that three vessels filled with oil had 4 liter 250 milliliter, 6 liter 195 milliliter, and 5 liter 450 milliliter of oil, respectively. Means there were three vessels in which in the first vessel the quantity of oil is 4 liter 250 milliliter, in the second vessel 6 liter 195 milliliter, and in the third vessel 5 liter 450 milliliter. Then oil of these three vessels is poured in the tank whose capacity is given 80 liter 500 milliliter. Then you are asked to find how much more oil can be filled in the tank. So for that I have written the statements. Oil in the first vessel equal to 4 liter 250 milliliter. Oil in the second vessel equal to 6 liter 195 milliliter. Oil in the third vessel equal to 5 liter 450 milliliter. Then I got quantity of oil in the tank equal to, I added all these three quantities and I got 50 liter 895 milliliter. When you add these quantities, at first you add the column of milliliter because milliliter is a small quantity than liter. At first we add the small quantity. First we add the ones place. 0 plus 5 plus 0 equal to 5, 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, carry 1 and 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 4, 8. Now you come to the column of liter to add all these 3, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So the quantity of oil in the tank equal to 50 liter 895 milliliter. Now the capacity of the tank is 18 liter 500 milliliter. Quantity of oil in the tank equal to this quantity I wrote here, 15 liter 895 milliliter. Then to find more quantity of oil that can be filled in the tank equal to, I subtracted 15 liter 895 milliliter from 18 liter 500 milliliter. For that I have given here minus sign. First of all, we will subtract the column of milliliter. Once subtraction of ones place, here is 0, here is 5. So the subtraction is not possible. We will make it greater than 5. For that we will take 1 from this 0. It became 10 and here 9 is left. Actually this 1 is coming from 5. From 5 1 came to this 0, this became 10. And from this 10 it came 1 to here. Here 9 is left and here it became 10. Now 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 9, 0. 14. I took 1 from here. 4 is left. 4 is smaller than 8. So subtraction is not possible. To make it greater than 8, I took 1 from here. So now it became 14 and here 7 is left. 14 minus 8 equal to 6. 7 minus 5 equal to 2. So the more quantity of oil that can be filled in the tank equal to 2 liter 605 milliliter. Question number 6 states that mother prepared 2 liter 700 milliliter of tea for the family. The family drank 1 liter 475 milliliter of it. How much tea is left in the teapot? For that, I have written the statement tea prepared by mother equal to 2 liter 700 milliliter. Making these two columns of liter and milliliter, I arranged 2 liter and 700 milliliter. Then tea drank by the family equal to 1 liter 475 milliliter. Tea left in the teapot after this I wrote the statement tea left in the teapot equal to, here I have done subtraction. I have subtracted 1 liter 475 milliliter from 2 liter 700 milliliter. First the subtraction of column milliliter. Here is 700, here is 475. But you see the ones place. At ones place there is 0 and here is 5. This subtraction is not possible because 0 is less than 5. To make it more than 5, we will take 1 from here. But this 0 cannot give you 1. This is already 0. So we will take 1 from this 7. If you take 1 from 7 to this 0, it became 10. And here 6 is left. And from this 10, 1 is taken to this 0. It became 10. And here 9 is left. Now this subtraction is possible because 10 is more than 5. So 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Here 9 is left. 9 minus 7 equal to 2. And here 6 is left after taking 1. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. And this subtraction 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So the tea left in the teapot equal to 1 liter 225 milliliter. Now the question number 7. This question states that Priti pours 875 milliliter of cold drink from a jug containing 1 liter 200 milliliter of cold drink. How much cold drink is left in the jug? Quantity of cold drink that was in the jug equal to 1 liter 200 milliliter. This quantity I have arranged making these two different columns of milliliter and milliliter. In the column of liter I wrote 1 and in the column of milliliter I wrote 200. Then Priti poured cold drink equal to 875 milliliter. At the place in the column of liter I wrote 0 because no liter is there. So to get cold drink left in the jug, I subtracted 875 milliliter from 1 liter 200 milliliter. For that reason, I have given here minus sign. Now, at first we subtract the column of milliliter because milliliter is smaller than liter. At first we subtract the smaller quantity. But you see once plus here is 0 and here is 5. This subtraction is not possible. So you take 1 from here, but it can't give you 1. It's already 0. So you take 1 from this 2. If you take 1 from this 2, here 10 became. And from this 10 you take 1 to this 0. It became 10. Now here 9 is left. And at this place here only 1 is left. Now this became 10, that is more than 5. Subtraction is possible. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. 9 minus 7 equal to 2. And here is 1 and 8. 1 is smaller than 8. So this subtraction is also not possible. To make it greater than 8, we take 1 from here. Now it became 11 and here 0 is left because already 1 is taken from there. Now it became 11 that is greater than 8. We subtract 11 minus 8 equal to 3 and here 0, no value. So the cold drink left in the jug equal to 325 milliliter. Question number 8. My father bought 7 liter 650 milliliter of CNG filled in his car while the capacity of the tank was 9 liter. How much more CNG can be filled up in the tank to make it full? For that I have written the statements. The capacity of the tank is 9 liter. Making the column of liter and milliliter, I arranged it. In the column of liter I wrote 9 and in the column of liter I wrote 0, 0, 0. And CNG filled in the tank equal to 7 liter 650 milliliter. As per the columns I have arranged, I wrote this 7 in the column of liter and this 650 in the column of milliliter. Then more quantity of CNG that can be filled in the tank equal to, we will do subtraction. we'll subtract 7 liter 650 milliliter from 9 liter. At first, we subtract the smaller quantity. Milliliter is a smaller quantity than liter. So we subtract the column of milliliter. In the column of milliliter, you are getting here 0, 0, 0. And here is 650. This 0 ones place, you come to ones place of milliliter column. Here is 0 and here is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. You come to tens place. Here is 0 and here is 5. This subtraction is not possible because 0 is smaller than 5. To make it greater than 5, we take 1 from here. But it can't give you 1 because this is already 0. So we take 1 from here. As we take 1 from here, here 8 is left. And this one came to this 0, it became 10. And from that 10, we take 1 here. It became 10 and here 9 is left. Now this 10 is greater than 5. We subtract this. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. 8 minus 7 equal to 1. So, more quantity of CNG that can be filled in the tank equal to 1 liter 350 milliliter. Question number 9 states that Kavita bought 9 liter 975 milliliter of milk. Out of this, she gave 500 milliliter to her child, used 1 liter 250 milliliter to prepare custard and 2 liter 750 milliliter to prepare curd. She kept 2 liter 500 milliliter in the fridge and used the rest of the milk to prepare cheese. How much milk was used to prepare cheese? Solution of this question: milk given to the child equal to 500 milliliter. Before that, I made 2 columns of liter and milliliter. Here is no liter, so in the column of liter I kept 0 and in the column of milliliter I kept 500. Second statement: milk used for custard equal to 1 liter 250 milliliter. I kept this one in the column of liter and this 250 in the column of milliliter. Milk used for curd 2 liter 750 milliliter and milk kept in the fridge equal to 2 liter 500 milliliter. So total quantity of milk used equal to, I have added all these. First we will add the column of milliliter because milliliter is the smaller quantity than liter. Addition of ones place, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0. Now tens place, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 0. 0 of 10 will come here and 1 is carried here. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, carry 2, that 2 came here. Now we'll add the column of liter. Add the column of liter. Now 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Total quantity of milk used equal to 7 liter. Now, quantity of milk available, that was 9 liter 975 milliliter. And the quantity of milk used is 7 liter. Now, milk left to prepare cheese. How much quantity of milk is left that is used to prepare cheese? So milk left to prepare cheese equal to, we shall subtract this quantity from this 9 liter 975 milliliter. For that I have given here sign of minus 9 liter 975 milliliter minus 7 milliliter. First of all, we will subtract the column of liter because column of milliliter is smaller than column of liter, so we will subtract at first column of milliliter. Here 975 minus 0, 0, so 5 minus 0, 5, 7 minus 0, 7 and 9 minus 0, 9. Now we come to the column of liter to subtract 9 and 7, 9 minus 7 equal to 2. So milk left to prepare cheese equal to 2 liter 975 milliliter. Question number 10, that is the last question of this exercise. This question states that a shopkeeper had purchased 12 liter 960 milliliter of refined oil for his daily sales. He sold 2 liter 150 milliliter to the first customer, 3 liter 750 milliliter to the second, and 5 liter 250 milliliter to the third customer. How much oil is left in the shop? In the solution, I have written the first statement as oil sold to the first customer equal to 2 liter 150 milliliter. Making these two columns of liter and milliliter, I arrange this in liter and milliliter. 2 is liter, so I wrote below of liter, and 150 is milliliter, I wrote below of milliliter. Then the second statement, oil sold to the second customer equal to 3 liter 750 milliliter. I arrange this two in liter and milliliter column. Third statement, oil sold to the third customer equal to 5 liter 250 milliliter. So quantity of oil sold, total quantity of oil sold equal to, I have added first addition of milliliter, that is a small quantity, 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, carry 1, this one carry there, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 2 11, carry 1, 1 2 3, 3 6 5 11. So quantity of oil sold equal to 11 liter 150 milliliter. Total quantity of oil purchased equal to 12 liter 960 milliliter. And quantity of oil sold equal to 11 liter 150 milliliter. I arrange this in the column of liter and milliliter. Then we are asked to find in the question quantity of oil left equal to know that we will subtract these two quantities. I have subtracted 11 liter 150 milliliter from 12 liter 960 milliliter. Then I first subtraction of the column of milliliter, because milliliter is smaller quantity than liter. Subtraction, at first subtraction of ones place, 0 minus 0, 0. Then subtraction of tens place, 6 minus 5, 1. Then subtraction of hundreds place, 9 minus 1 into 8. 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Now we come to the column of liter to subtract. 12 minus 11 equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So our quantity of oil left to be sold equal to 1 liter 810 milliliter.